I said all you needed to do was put it in the microwave, which turned out in Welsh to be the poptaping.
Yeah,
which was,
pop it in the popty pig.
Pop it in the popty pig. And that went over big. I made a huge, heroic effort to try to master Welsh when I decided to become an MP for a constituency in North Wales, Clwyd South. And I learned various phrases like paint y gwrw cwerw ysgwelwch yn dda. And I was fascinated by how many Latinate words were embedded in Welsh, like uffernol.
Yeah.
Have I got that right?
Yeah, yeah.
It means infernal, right?
Yeah,
Which is clearly derived from Latin, inferni. I mean, pysgod. Pysgod's obviously fish, right? So pysgod is that's clearly Latin. Yeah. Piscis, fish. But sglodion, where's that come from for chips? Sklods. Why is sklod? Why is sklods chips? And so I find it very interesting to try to learn it. Put it this way, I loved learning it, but in actually deploying it, I found quite difficult until the general election campaign of 2019, when we won loads of seats in Wales, and I suddenly found the words coming back to me, and indeed new words. And if you remember, one of the most important things about the general election campaign, we had an oven-ready deal.
Yeah.
We had an oven-ready deal to get Brexit done. And of course, people later complained that it wasn't oven-ready. It was oven-ready. That's fantastic.